Hello to all my friends out there. So the other day I bought a lot of bread on markdown, and some of the bread I bought were these small loaves of bread. They were really like hero sandwich pieces of bread, and I got them on markdown. So I fried 2 eggs sunny side up, and then I put some cheese on top of the eggs and I melted it, and this looks pretty good. I bought this cheese at Dollar Tree for $1, and I just grated it and stuck it in a Cool Whip plastic container with a lid. And I bought these eggs for $1. So this is a cheap sandwich. And so then to go with my sandwich, I have some chicken top ramen, and I want some hot sauce because this is my new favorite way to make top ramen soup, and juice of 1/2 lemon. And if you can get lemons at a good price, it's not always possible, but this soup is much better with fresh lemon. Not only that, it's a good thing to do to eat lemon or vinegar or pickles or sauerkraut every day. Okay, so that is delicious. And this is going to be a good little sandwich, very easy to make. And I will see you tomorrow.